We're going to attempt to make nitro cold brew lattes
At home. Alright, so we've just got some homemade nitro cold brew here, but you could obviously do this with a Starbucks or anywhere else like that. I'm not sure this product really exists apart from in cans, nitro cold brew latte. And we've tried some of the ones in the cans. Not very good.
Not good at all.
So we're now attempting to make our own. So obviously start off with nitro cold brew. We have a recipe that we'll link if you want to go do that one. Buy your own, make your own, do whatever you want. So we've just got a cheap Amazon milk frother here. And we've got you've got two types of milk over there. We've just got some regular old 2% for dairy people and for vegan people, or dairy free.
Almond milk.
And just some unsweetened almond milk. We're not adding any sugar, any extra flavorings or anything like that. We're just keeping it really simple, just latte with milk.
All right, so let's get the frother going, and we'll start with the regular milk.
Let's start with that.
All right. So we've got the frothed up milk. I guess we need to make some room in the glass.
So let's just go for half and half.
Yeah, 50-50. I think that sounds
So we're just going to drop it down a bit. As you see, we're starting with that foam, so it's interesting to see. We're going to add some more foamy milk here, and we'll see how it goes. So I'm just going to attempt to spoon some of this into mine, and I guess I want to stir it in. Let's give it a taste. Not too strong on the smell. Yeah, I mean it. For if you don't want straight cold brew or nitro cold brew, it really takes the edge off it and makes it quite a smooth drink.
Yeah, so with nitro cold brew, it's on nitro, it's already a light mouthfeel. When you add in the frothy milk, then
it's
really
like drinking
light.
Coffee air, essentially.
Yeah,
velvety.
Yeah, isn't
and
it?
Smooth as well. Like there's a lot of ways to get your daily caffeine fix, especially early in the morning, and the hot coffee can be very harsh. If you want to get a caffeine fix, you could drink this thing in like no time at all.
It's like drinking frothy bubbles, and really softens the coffee flavour even more.
Much better than any of the canned varieties that we've tried in the past. That's really, really impressive.
It doesn't need sugar and all that sort of stuff. It tastes just great, just like that.
Well, so I'll be interested to see that's with the milk version, with it frothed up. So I think what we should try now is pouring the milk straight in. Taste is about similar.
Very similar. I can't really taste any difference between this and the last one.
Less sort of foamy. You're sort of drinking. The last one, the foam was sort of all the way through. Now you're sort of drinking through the foam.
Do you not think it feels like it's a little bit more substance to it now? The last one was just
very
very
airy and velvety.
Yeah, and it's only 2% milk, as you mentioned earlier. It tastes so creamy still.
But I know there's also one other thing we can try: almond milk, because as we know, not everybody are dairy people, or you have vegans.
So this is dairy-free, soy-free, gluten-free.
It's free of everything. Let's hope it's got flavour though, not flavour-free.
All right, so we've got frothed almond milk.
If that even really works, we'll see what it looks like.
It looks pretty frothy.
I think we should go, let's go for just pouring it straight in, I think, with a bit of the froth. And let's see if we get the same effect we did with the milk.
Okay.
I'm interested about flavour too as well, because I'm not a great fan of almond milk flavour. Oh yeah, making a mess. It doesn't smell very almondy.
Not at all, no. Just faintly like coffee.
There's a hint of the almond milk. Definitely a hint, but we've tried some almond milk lattes out of the can, and those were very, very strong in almond milk flavour.
I think it keeps a bit more of the coffee flavour than the
Yeah,
milk.
so we've gone with just the regular bog standard unsweetened almond milk, no flavour, no vanilla, no sugar or anything like that. So it by itself it doesn't have that strong of a flavour. But yeah, it's definitely
it's definitely different from just drinking the cold brew. It's adding a little bit of something to it.
Milkiness.
Yeah, a little bit of milkiness.
I think the last thing to do is just to pour the almond milk straight in, no froth, and see if we get a similar type effect flavour.
Do you think we should start with the almond milk and then add the coffee?
Perhaps, yeah, that might work. Let's try that. Alright, so we've added our coffee on top of it now. And I think we've got the similar effect now with the milk when we did the same thing, is where we've got the top foamy head.
Let's see what we get with the taste.
Frothy head. I definitely taste the almond milk more on this one.
It's more almondy, yep.
Yeah, so the frothing apparently just took a little bit. I think with the frothing you're adding so much air into it that it just becomes almost airy and no flavour. But it's weird, I don't know, I think I might like this better than the regular milk flavour, which I was not expecting at all.
If you had to have one choice of all the 4 that we did...
Oh, you said all the 4 because I was going to say Nitro Cold Brew with nothing added to it whatsoever.
But let's say that you did want to make it a latte. What would you go for?
I'm going to say almond milk. I wasn't expecting it, but I like that. The method I would go for is the last method we just did, which is add the almond milk in and add the coffee on top of it, or vice versa.
I did like that one too, but for me, the best one was this on the frother, just for the
velvety
velvet
smooth
mouthfeel. Yeah, wasn't it fantastic? So just for that ease of drinkability and the mouthfeel, I really enjoyed that.
But yeah, no, I mean, I think this has been a little effective little test right here as well. So just try it out.
Give it a go.